Okay, I just finished editing the video. Before you watch it, comment down below and guess which car we pulled the parts off of. Do you know what it is?
I was there.
Oh yeah. Okay, now you can watch it.
Where are we off to?
I pull, you pull. Your favorite place.
Not at my favorite time.
This is what we came to look at. 2000 Acura 1.6 EL. One on the front end, but it's gone. Why didn't we come sooner? But at least we got the taillights, so take all the taillights out because we are starting a new project. Oh, this thing had the spoiler on it too, the factory one. That would have been nice.
It's gone too?
Yeah. Oh, I forget to bring an extension. Break it. Kind of crazy how rare these are now. I guess it was a Canadian only model. Do you like them? No?
They're okay, yeah. I don't know as much about them as you do.
I hope I'm not going to regret not keeping those nuts.
Just take them. If you can find them.
Yeah. That's so bad. I think that's ever been out. Beautiful. Now these suckers. Some weird wiring tapped into here. No, I'm gonna keep the pigtail on this one.
Let's see.
I'm not sure what he had here. He's missing a couple bolts on it too. That's the funnest part about getting used parts or used cars. Just figuring out what the heck the other person did to them.
I think they did a really good job on the weld.
Oh yeah, just to hold the bumper up.
Should bring a Ziploc bag for the nuts and
Well, I would
bolts,
just put
eh?
the nuts back on the taillight. It'd be the smart thing to do.
Why aren't you doing that then?
I don't know. To make it harder to find them, we'll give us more footage. So that's crazy. So we have to come really early when these get in the junkyard now. Okay, got it. They even took the grill.
What do you think these will sell for?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna stockpile them because these things are not gonna be around forever. But I'm gonna do my best to keep them on the road. All right, let's close the trunk.
Careful, don't scratch it. Oof.
There we go. No water will get in there. And then get on the inside. Steering wheels are getting pretty rare, so it's not that bad condition. And they got the red cluster too, that the Civic doesn't have. Fortunately, it's cloth interior, so I'm not going to take anything. But, oh, door's been replaced before. So one thing you got to worry about when you buy these is that if the door has been replaced, it probably has Civic glass, which is a bit thinner than the Acura, so it won't be as quiet. Okay, well, hopefully we find some more soon in the junkyard. Because I need some more parts. Ooh, base model. Drum brakes in the rear. I don't think I've ever seen that on an EL actually. Here's a 1.7 EL. It's not the generation we're after, but just another Canadian only car that we got. 1.7 liter VTEC. Different front end. Got tail lights. I'll show those after. Different interior. All nice leather. Wood trim. And the tail lights too, which most of these have been pillaged. But yeah, again, not the generation we're after, but still a cool car. Now this is sad to see in the junkyard. Always wanted one. Mazdaspeed Protege. That nice like tri-coat orange color. Like most Proteges, they just rot out. There's nothing left of this car. Holy crap. Just a good era when you could buy tuner cars from factory. It's pretty awesome. And again on a Protege, I think it's a Tokiko factory shocks you get. Yes, right there. Pretty awesome. And also factory Eibach sway bars. Whoops, that was that falling over. I think it was Eibach that did these. Awesome. Try and see the metallic in the paint. There you go. Alright, let's restore these guys with some wet sanding and polishing.